From design to manufacturing, Powerworld leads the way in smart heating solutions. Hi, I'm Lucas. So today you're going to follow me inside the factory and not only discover our Cleanlife heat pump that not only meets 14A EnWG standards, it will also make your home smarter and more efficient. 14A EnWG is Germany's regulation for controllable energy devices, helping the grid stay stable and you save money. During peak hours, it allows things like heat pumps to adjust automatically, avoiding grid overloads. New controllable heat pumps enjoy an annual grid fee reduction between 90 euros and 160 euros, or 60% off the annual grid fee, around 3 to 4 cents per kilowatt hour. Our Cleanlife heat pump comes SG ready. It automatically switches operation modes based on PV storage and grid tariffs. This means more PV consumption and heating when electricity is the cheapest. You can control power limits via RS485, which is perfect for integration with energy management systems. Even under limitation, Cleanlife heat pump keeps at least 4.2 kilowatt hours heating power. Each unit is built with precision, from high efficient compressors to advanced system controls. This is our acoustic lab. This silence is no accident, just 43 decibels, quieter than a library. This silence is no accident. We engineered a 3-level noise reduction system. Number 1, a reinforced compressor on a soft-mounted base to cut vibration. PVC dampening and acoustic absorbing cotton to absorb noise, with a high-density ceiling cover that blocks sound at the source. Number 2, the strengthened chassis with the anti-freezing heater prevents winter icing while eliminating resonance noise. Number 3, our aerodynamic airflow guide ensures smooth air release. No turbulence, no wind noise. This silence is designed for everyday comfort. Performance means nothing without safety. That's why each unit is equipped with an R290 explosion-proof safeguards. First, a built-in micro-bubble exhaust valve which automatically vents refrigerant outdoors in case of leakage, keeping your home safe. Second, our smart leak sensor continuously monitors refrigerant levels. If the system detects a drop of 15% LEL, the system shuts down the compressor, displays a code 𝐸R75 and alerts the user. All while switching fans to a low speed to allow for safe ventilation. With us, efficiency comes with peace of mind. Reliable from -25 to 43 C, worry-free in extreme cold. From the factory to your home, each Cleanlife heat pump is built with efficiency, durability and compliance. Lower bills with a smarter grid and a warmer home with a Powerworld Cleanlife heat pump. Lower bills, a smarter grid and a warmer home with a Powerworld Cleanlife heat pump. For more information or cooperation, email us at info@powerworldhp.com or visit our website at www.powerworldhp.com. Powerworld for smarter heating and a smarter grid.